So that's fine. What else did you saw there?
There were buses parked.
Those buses parked up there.
Yeah.
Anything else which is important to you? You should have saw there. You missed.
Buses.
And the next roundabout, turn right, please. Second exit.
Don't need the signal now. Was that too early?
Nice, fine.
I have made. Try to go around. Still slow because view is obstructed. Zebra crossing is clear. Probably did something wrong there.
What do you mean?
Because when I went into the roundabout, the guy was just stood there.
Okay.
I should have maybe waited at the start until he's...
Take a deep breath, because it is a lot to do, isn't it? Yeah. Now, when you were turning right at that mini roundabout,
Yeah.
just talk me through what was your thought process. What were you doing? So as you're approaching, you checked your mirror signal to the right,
Slow down.
which is right, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
What are you anticipating? What are your observation? What are you anticipation? What are you planning? What were you planning? Tell me.
To turn right,
Yeah.
so I don't need to worry about the front of me. I need to worry about what's coming from the right side.
You don't have to worry about the traffic coming from the right side.
No, I didn't have to worry about what's coming in front of me because I was turning into them.
What? Okay. Yes, you're right. In technicality, what about if that car, like, is coming from there?
Yeah.
What if they're signaling, telling you they're going around? Then what?
Then I should have.
So, yes. So,
Yeah.
okay. So he was not signaling, right?
No.
Anybody coming from the right?
There was a Qashqai or whatever.
Yeah.
It was coming up the hill, but I
Yeah.
thought it was too far off.
You're right, 100%. So you did look at a Qashqai. Good.
Yeah.
Well done. What else did you look inside that road? Because MSPSL,
Yeah.
looking ahead and looking the road you're turning into.
That's what I realised that when I came into the roundabout, the car didn't clear it yet. Just the same, when we started the first roundabout, turning left, I should have waited when he was gone, and then I got...
So do you think you should have waited there?
Yes, I should have stopped and waited until
Okay.
the car was...
So that's fine. What else did you saw there?
There were buses parked.
Those buses parked up there.
Yeah.
Anything else which is important to you? You should have saw there. You missed.
Buses.
You didn't, did you? No. Can I tell you?
Yes. Nice.
You miss the speed limit signs. There were 2 speed limit signs
I
on the
saw
right.
one on the floor that was 30.
No, that was like there because. Right, let me tell you you how it worked.
Okay.
So on that roundabout, when you were turning, the speed limit was 30 there.
Okay.
You need to ask yourself, if it's continuous 30 there,
Yeah.
why are you getting another 30 reminder sign there? The reason why, because as you were turning, when we stopped before the Tesla,
Yeah.
you had the chance again. I was waiting for you to see those things. You see there's flashing amber light there. There were 220 signs there. But you're more focused on Tesla and the buses and all that.
Yeah.
So you missed that. Any idea why it was 20 there?
There was school because a lot of buses.
There was a school there, yeah? So because of school thing. But can you see how easily?
Yes.
Now, my question to you is, obviously today they were slightly busier. Now in your test time, if you turn right,
Yeah.
there's no buses, you start going down, you're going end up doing 25, 26 miles per hour.
Yeah, it's failed.
So, apart from your MSPSL,
Yeah.
look for the speed limit signs are very, very important from now on.
Yes.
So the reason why you saw the 30 sign,
Yeah.
because school finish and the 30 limit starts from there.
Okay. And I think because I was reacting to the thingy,
yeah.
I kind of took my...
Yeah, but that's always look for the bigger picture. You locked your eyes, kind of Qashqai there, Tesla there. I should not have turned you more worry about that, but other things as well, though, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
There's always developing hazards.
Absolutely. Good. Okay.